Beautyworks extensions review. So basically, I've never really tried human hair extensions before, so I recently bought some human hair extensions and I'm wearing them right now. So I just wanted to do a review on them, just talk about them a little bit and tell you what I think of them, about the quality, about the make, about everything to do with them. And yeah, I just think it would be pretty cool for me to do that for you. So yes, I personally am not a very extensions kind of person. Like, I've always been about my natural hair, but recently I've just really wanted like super long natural hair, so I decided to buy some human hair extensions. So I just want to talk about it basically, so yeah. So as you can see by the title, these are Beautyworks extensions, and as you may know, I have bought from Beautyworks before. So I bought this hair curler from Beautyworks and it was a really good product and I was super happy with it, so I was really happy to buy these hair extensions from Beautyworks because I do know that their stuff is really good quality. As you can see, I'm wearing the extensions right now and I'm very, very, very pleased. As you can see, these are super high quality extensions and they are absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed. So the extensions that I bought are the double set clip-in hair extensions, and these are 20-inch, so I will just show you. They come down to here. Yes. They just come to here, like down to my butt. Yeah, these are in the shade California Blonde. So I just basically went onto Beautyworks' Instagram and I DM'd them and I said, this is my hair, what hair extensions should I get? And they just sent me which color that I should get, and yeah. So you can just DM them on Instagram asking for a color match and it's pretty awesome. They give you a pretty quick reply, so yeah, I was really pleased with their service there. I personally think that if you pair these extensions with the hair color, so I got this hair color from Beautyworks and it's really good. I feel like it would make your hair gorgeous and beautifully curly just having it. They do have like other methods of hair extensions like weft and like probably tape-ins, other stuff like that. But I just decided to get clip-ins because I don't want to damage my natural hair, so yeah, it's good enough for me to be honest. Yeah, and I just think they're gorgeous. I'm so happy with them. So yes. The quality of these hair extensions are amazing. Like, I'm so pleased with the quality. They feel amazing. As soon as I got them, they just blended into my natural hair so well and I was just like, wow, these extensions are so made for me. And yeah, they are just so natural. They are so perfect. If you're looking for high quality extensions, then I highly recommend Beautyworks' extensions. So yes, I was just really happy to get these. And I did buy some other products as well as the hair extensions. So I bought this 10-in-1 Miracle Spray and this Dream Shine Leave-In Blow Dry formula. And they are really good. As you can see, my hair is like kind of like proper shiny right now. It looks really nice. I feel like it helps my hair be blonder as well. And I just really love that. I was really obsessed with like the shine of the hair extensions, so I was so happy to buy these products so my hair could shine the same as the hair extensions, because as soon as I got the hair extensions I was like, oh wow, they're so glossy and like so perfect. They also sent me 2 more bottles of the same thing, and so these are for looking after my extensions, and they also sent me Argan Oil Vitamin E Daily Treatment and Argan Oil Milk Protein. So this is a mask and this is an oil, so yes, this just goes on your hair extensions. And it's supposed to help your hair extensions be maintained very professionally. So I'm very pleased with that. And I haven't washed my hair extensions yet because I only got them recently. But you're supposed to wash them every like 10 to 15 wears. I've only worn these hair extensions a couple times, so yes, I haven't washed them yet, but I will do. And yes, so when I bought the hair wands that I bought from Beautyworks, it came with this brush and it also came with a comb. So yes, this brush is especially good. If you do buy Beautyworks extensions, you need to get this brush. You need to get one of the brushes from Beautyworks because basically it's really good for hair extensions. If you use any other brush on the hair extensions, then it really ruins the hair extensions. So it's really important to have a well-maintained brush. And also it's really cool, literally in the hair extensions pack, there was a little leaflet and it told me like how I can help my hair be the best way possible, wear my extensions the best way, and how to look after them. So that's really awesome. I was really pleased with that. And yes, as you can see, the extensions are absolutely gorgeous. I am wearing these every day now. I'm so obsessed with them. But like I said, these are the double set 20-inch California blonde hair extensions. So yes, as you can see, they're gorgeous. They match my hair and this is just like a quick little video. I just wanted to just give a review on what I thought about these extensions, and I just want to say they are absolutely fabulous. They are amazing. I'm so obsessed with them, and I'm so happy and so proud of the quality. I'm just like feeling so good and feeling like myself, feeling so beautiful in these extensions. So yes, thank you Beautyworks. I'm so happy that you were able to help me have these extensions, and yeah, I'm just happy that they have their company and they're awesome. So yes, I do recommend, if you're looking for good hair extensions, clip-ins or whatever, then go to Beautyworks because they are really amazing. Yeah, anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time I upload a YouTube video. So yes, this is my review on Beautyworks extensions. Anyway, I love you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.